Good evening to everyone. Please switch on camera if possible. So we are discussing about the problems based on the combinatorics. Okay. So last we did few questions where we have to do the questions based on the permutation, means arrangement. And today we'll see that key how to do the questions based on the selection, maximum selection based questions. So we'll do now objective question because AMC will have the multiple choice, means objective type of pattern. So mainly I will try to give you more and more objective question and we'll try to solve. So same pattern questions few will do and then we'll be proceeding slowly, will increase the level. In case any concept you wanted me to teach you or explain you, please let me know. I will start directly problem solving because of the time constraint. Yes.
Sir, do we just write our answer in the chat after we're done?
Yeah. One by one. First question, everybody do and write the answers in chat box. Do not speak. A, B, C, D, whatever the answers you are getting. Question one, A, B, C, D. Answer. Give me answer in term of A, B, C, D. Because I'm having answer as a B, C, D only. You have to find the sum of all the numbers formed by using the digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 when the repetition of digit is not allowed. Yes, Rishi, correct. Maria, correct. Two people given correct answer. Very good. So we have to find out the sum of the numbers, 5-digit numbers. That means the summation will be what? Suppose For unit place summation is the, let's say, D1, and 10th place D2, D3, D4, D5. This is the summation. Be clear. D1 is the sum of all the unit place numbers. So what we'll say that ki sum of number will be what? D1 into 1 plus D2 into 10 plus D3 into 100 plus D4 into 1000 plus D5 into 10,000. Or you can say that will be 1 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 10,000 into this D1 plus D2 plus D3, all these values. So, but in this case, you can understand D1 and D2, D3, D4, everything will come as the same D. So into D, I can say. So sum will be equal to your 1, 1, 1, 1, 5 times 1 into D. D is what? Sum of any place. Any place summation will be what? Whatever number you're forming, 1 will come how many times? 4 factorial time. 2 will come also 4 factorial time. 3 will also come 4 factorial time. Why 4 factorial? Because if you fix 1 here, this places, 4 places can be filled by 4 factorial. So it means sum of unit place will be 4 factorial into 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. And that will become how much? 5, 5, 10, 50 into 50. So 24 into 50. So summation will be what? 5 into 15 into 24. 4 factorial is 24. So this is, I will use calculator. 24 into 15 into 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, 4 times 9, 16. 3, 4 times 9, 16. This will be answer. So D will be the answer. Anyone want me to explain any particular point?
So could you explain the question one more time? I didn't understand.
You have to find out the sum of all possible number formed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-digit number. Repetition is not allowed. For example, if I say I have to find the sum of 1, 2, 3, 1, 4, 1 and 2, 4, 1. Something like this. Just logic behind this I'm trying to tell you. The summation, we know how to do summation, but we can do summation other way also. What way? We'll add all unit place, which is coming how much? 5, and we'll multiply 1 plus. We'll add all the 10th place, that will come 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10, and multiply by 10. And we'll add all the 100 place, and that is going to be for into 100 will do. And the summation will be 5 plus 100 plus 400. That means that will become your 505. So same logic I'm applying. If 5-digit number I'm forming, to this place 1 comes how many times? How to calculate? These places can be filled by 4 factorial. So 1 will come 4 factorial time. 2 will also come 4 factorial time. 3 will also come 4 factorial. Means sum of unit place will be this much. Yes or no? Sum of unit place will be this much. So summation will be what? And sum of 10th place will be also this much. This will also, everything will be this much only. So summation will be what? S equal to D1 into 1 plus D2 into 10 plus D2 into D3 into 100 plus D4 into 10 power 3 plus D5 into 10 power 4. So D1, D2, D3 are common, same. I can take common, so this value will come. And D value is this much. I can put it and get the answer. I hope it's clear.
Yes, so now it's clear.
Question number 2. Everybody, please quickly give me the answer in terms of the ABCD.
Sir, is that multiplication sign?
Where
The comma.
this is a comma.
No,
Seven digit numbers. X1, X2, X3. These are seven
um,
digits are there. Having the property X4 is the greatest one.
I mean in the option.
In the option, it's a multiplication only. I think by mistakes they mention comma. It will be multiplication. Uh, Kernel factorial, n fact, I discussed already in the previous classes. Factorial means if I say 4 factorial, that means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Jayad, no, D is not answer. No, Christian, that is not answer. Myra, no. Did you understand, Myra, the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Faizan, correct. Yes, Rishi, that's correct. See, let's check it. Second question. I'm doing it. Consider 7-digit number having the property X4 is the greatest digit and digits towards the left and right of X4 are in decreasing order. Then the total number of such number in which all digits are different. First thing, we are having total in this total 10 digit we are having, but problem is ki no digit should be 0. So we are having the 9 digit only. 0 we cannot select because they already mentioned not equal to 0. Have you understand? Out of 9 digit, first I will select 7 digit. 9C7. This is the way of selecting the 7 digit out of 9 digit. I selected 7 digit. And means into. Up thing, 7 digits we are having. But X4 should be the greatest one. So out of 7 digit, only 1 digit will be greatest one. Yes or no? Only 1 digit will be greatest one. So that particular digit I can select only one way. If I say, how will you select the greatest one? If I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digit I'm having. If I say select any one digit, you says 4 ways there. Either I can select 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. But if I say to you, select greatest one, how many ways are there? Only one way is there. You have to select only 4. Do you understand the difference? Selecting any digit, 4 option. But selecting greatest one, only one option. I selected greatest one and place it here at the 4th place, X4, let's call it. Now, I have to fill here 3 and here 3. From the 6, balance 6, I have to select 3 digit. In how many way I can select? 6C3. And that I will place it here. In how many ways? Only one way. Why one way? Because this is a decreasing order. Suppose you got 4, just random data, 4, 6, and 3. So in how many way you can place this in decreasing order? Only one way. Because decreasing order is there, no? You cannot put 4, 6, 3 and 6, 4, 3. You have to put in the order of 3, 4, and 6, like this, decreasing order. But this is the increasing order, sorry, 6, 4, 3, this way, decreasing order. So one order, whenever order is there, if I say I have to arrange 2, 3, 5 in increasing order, how many way I can select? Only one way. How many way I can arrange? Only one way. If I say arrange in decreasing order, then also only one way, 5, 3, 2. Whenever order is mentioned, to only one way. So those 3 digits, which 3 digit I have to select? So I selected. That can be arranged only one way. And balance 3 automatically one way. So this will be your answer. 9C7 into 6C3. So that will be A option.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, tell me please.
How do you get the 7 below 9C?
9C7, how I got it?
How do you get the 7? That's why I didn't understand.
Yeah, you have to, first thing is that you have to form 7-digit number. Am I right?
Yeah.
So you need 7 digits or not?
Yeah.
If you have to select R objects out of N object, how will you select? NCR.
Oh, yeah.
So 9 digits are there because 0 I cannot take it. Total 10 digit was there, but 0 I cannot consider. So 9 digit, out of 9 digit, we have to select 7 digit first.
Oh.
So
Okay.
9C7.
Got it.
Right? The next question, third question, everybody. Yes, Arudra, correct. No, Myra, that's not correct. Mavia Khan, no. Krishna, no. Aryan, no. Shreyang, correct. Amja, no. Agrima, correct. Check it here. Rishi, correct. Yeah, Maria, now correct. Check this. I have to form 6-digit odd number. 336, yes.
Right.
6,000. Using the digit 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. If repetition of digit is allowed. The first thing is that at the end here, only odd digit should appear. Only odd digit. Yes or no? Then only odd number will be coming. So this place I can fill by how many ways? This place I can fill by either 5 or 7.
So 3.
But 3 is not there, no?
No, sir, there's 3.
Three ways. Three ways.
The
5,
option
7, and 9.
fill it.
5, 7, 9, 3 ways.
That's
Right?
what I'm saying.
Now, another thing is that at this place, 0 should not come.
Sir, 4.
So this place can be filled by how many ways?
Sir, 4 because it has to be a good.
5 cannot come.
So it should be 5 ways. It should be 4 actually, because 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 can't come and 0 can't come.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 5 cannot come, otherwise because it will be less than 6. This is 600,000 and 0 cannot come. So this will be total 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways. I hope I did correct. And rest no condition. This place can be filled by 6 ways. This place can be filled by 6 ways. This place also can be filled by 6 ways. This place also can be filled by 6 ways. But in this, one problem can happen. Can you notice what is that problem?
Sir, the
There is a 6. No problem can be happen. I don't think so. So 4 into 3, 12 into 6 power 4. So that will be calculating and coming how much? 36 into 36 into 12. 1,552. 1,552.
and it 2.
Correct. This has to come. Is it the 600,000 included in this number? In the following?
Sir, it says greater than, so I think it is not included.
600,000 is not included, I guess, because this place I'm not filling by.
There. So because of 3, like it can't.
Yeah, so this will be the answer. So the answer will be D. And correct answer is 1,552. This will be the answer. Question number 4. I think very easily you can tell. Repetition of digit is not allowed. The same question. Repetition of digit is not allowed. So similar way, this place can be filled by only 3 ways. This place can be filled by 4 ways.
So this place will be filled by 4.
And now 2 digit already gone. So I'm having 4 digits. This place will be 4 way. This place will be 3, 2, 1.
Sir, there is no option for none of these, sir. Because the multiplication of this is not any of the numbers.
Uh,
So it's 3, 3, 3.
well, let me think.
Yes, so the multiplication of 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3 is not
Wait a moment. Just wait. There is the issue on the
No, but if sir, repetition is not allowed and the last place can be filled by 5, 7, or 9. If we put 7 and 9, we can't put the same number in the first place.
Yeah.
So then we have to minus some possibilities.
Yeah, there is some extra possibilities is happening. Wait a moment. Wait a moment. There is the extra possibility of it. Let's do by the other way. Hold up. Imagine 3, 3, 6. Let's make the cases.
Sir, can you show options?
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
this place. Imagine this place is coming. I fill by 7. Let's fill this way. I fill by 7. So this place I will be miss
2 ways. First
7
place,
here.
2 ways.
So this place I can fill by anything except 0. Anything except 6 I cannot fill. 6 we cannot fill it
So you
because
can't fill 0, 5, and 7.
0, 5, 7 I cannot fill it. No, sorry, greater than 6 like. So 7 I can fill it, no problem. 5 I cannot fill here.
Sir, we can't fill 7. Repetition is not allowed. We already use 7 ways.
Yeah, that's what let's put it other way. Let's fix it 5 here. If I fix 5, so now I can fill anything except 0. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir. You're right.
I can fill anything except 0. So this place again I can fill by how many ways?
5.
5 ways. And this place no restriction, that will be 4.
3.
Sir, but sir, in
Shouldn't
first
it be
place,
6?
5 ways would also include
Yeah.
6.
So
But
actually
you
the
want more than
first
6.
in the
Hold
So
on.
first place will not be in 5
in the
ways, right?
lag position it should be actually 4, not 5.
Why?
Because you removed 5 and 0.
So 5 and 0 removed. So how many digits left?
4.
4 digits. Yeah, 4 and
No,
this.
sir, 6 is also removed. So 3 digits.
Why
How?
6 is removed?
6 is
So because more than
Hold
6 is
on. Hold on. Let me solve it. I'm listening to everybody. It's getting unnecessary time consuming. Let me solve it in the separately. We'll learn. Let's make the cases. Digits are what? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Digits are, let's rephrase. 0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6-digit number. The problem what happening, there are the restriction here also. I want to get the odd number. Watch it carefully. I will not put any restriction on the front here. Just listen me carefully, everybody. Only restriction here. This place I can fill by how many ways?
So 3 ways.
3 ways. Either 5 or 7 or 9. Now, no restriction. Forget about any restriction. This place I can fill by 5 ways. This place I can fill by 4 ways. This place I can fill by 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. I know it will not be perfectly all right. So this is the 5 factorial into that is at 120 into 360. There are 360 odd numbers are there. But in this, there is a problem. How there will be that case also I included here, which start with the 0. Yes or no? Because I did not consider anything here. So 0 also can create. So how many numbers are there, odd number, which start with the 0? So let's fix it 0 here. This place I can fill by 3 way and rest no restriction. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Means there are total 24 numbers are there which will start with the 0. Odd number which will start with 0. Are you able to understand?
So 72, right?
Wait. Yeah, 72. Sorry. So minus number start with 0. Number start with 0. I don't want that. I will subtract. As well as minus number start with 5. So number start with 0, how many? 72. Number start with 5, how many? Again 72. No, that will be problem. Number start with the 5, let's calculate. 336. Start with the 5. Odd number. So this place now can be filled by only 2 way. Because 5 I fix here. So either 7 or 9. So this place can, now no restriction. 4, 3, 2, 1. 24. 24 into 2, 48. So minus 72 minus 48. So it will be 360 minus. How much
Sir,
it become?
but sir, we would also have to do minus numbers starting with 6.
Why? Why should we do?
So we want
40 are-
more than
Because
600,000.
there'll be at least a 9 or 8 or 7 or 5 in there.
Hold down. The
Oh
person
no,
who
sir,
is
got it,
saying,
sir, got it.
got it. Huh. So minus this will become how much?
240, 240.
120. So this will be 240. 240 will be answer. I hope that makes sense. So the more restrictions are there, so what the logically we apply? If first we calculated without any restriction, all the odd number, minus those odd number which start with 0, minus those odd number which start with 5. So that way it's come into this. Okay, and question number 5, everybody. No, Hamza, that is wrong.
Sir, repetition is allowed, correct, sir?
No, whenever they mention form from the digits, means this is the only available.
Oh,
Means
okay.
you have only 2 times 1, 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4.
Okay, sir.
Is there no repetition?
Yes, 100% how. Nee, repetition can be happen. One can come 2 times. You have only this many digits. You don't have any other digits.
Okay, sir. So,
Yes,
no
correct.
repetition of the other digits apart from 1.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
From then, all other digits will come only once. One can come 2 times. One can come 2 times.
Sir, what does it mean by taken 4 at a time?
Means out of this 6 digit, you have to take 4 at a time because you are going to form the 4-digit number. Mustari, question number 5 we are discussing. You have to talk question number 5. Faizan, that is wrong. No question. No question. Still wrong. Yes, Myra, that is correct. You already given correct answer.
Sir. Sir, I actually I did it without knowing the. I did it before and then
Okay. Chalo. Let's do. Answer is A, 159. How many number greater than 1000 can be formed from the digit 1112340 taken 4 at a time? Means 4 digit you have to take at a time and you have to form the digit, and that has to be greater than 1000. Right. So first thing is that whenever you will take any 4 digit and number you will form, that will be greater than 4000 only. Yes or no? Any 40. Suppose you say, sir, I taken 110232. So whatever combination you make, it will be always bigger than what? Bigger than your this 1000. So this greater than statement is not going to create any problem.
Sir, except 0. 0 cannot be a.
Yes, well, that is, of course, we are going to form the following. Now, situations is the slightly problem. Let's say we select the 4 digit, 4 number I'm going to select, 4 digit I'm going to select from here. We do not know that double one came inside or not, 0 came inside or not. That we don't have the option. So we have to make the cases. So case 1, suppose no 0, not 0, and all are different digit. This is the one possibility. Means 0 I'm not selecting and different digit I'm selecting. So how many different digits there if 0 is not selected? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different digits are there. So it means 4 factorial numbers will be there. 0 I'm not selecting and all are different. Second possibility, not 0, but 2, 1 is there. Not 0, but 2, 1 is there. Ab not 0, 2, 1 is there. So it means 2, 1 you already taken and other 2 digit is taken from 2, 3, 4. So how many way you can take 2, 3, 4, 2 numbers? 3C2 way. Wait, 0 you are not selecting. So what is left? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from here, this I am selecting. It's a given. So 2 digit already you are having 2 more digit. 2 more digit will come from here. So 3C2 way I can select 2 digit. Now I'm having what structure? I'm having like this. A, B. A and B, any one of this. So how many way it can be done? Into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Why divided by 2 factorial? Because 1 is repeating. Third bit. 0.
But
and,
sir, 2,
yeah.
when we include 2 ones, the second one can be at any of the place, ones, tens, or hundreds, where here we have only taken the both at thousands and hundreds place.
No. I'm arranging. This arrangement of this will be what? 4 factorial by 2 factorial. That
Yes, sir.
means A1, B, A can come. 1 can come. A, B, 1, 1 can come. So all the possibility I consider, no? 4 factorial by 2 factorial.
Okay, sir.
Now, this not 0 case is over. Ab 0 case. 0 and all are different. 0 I'm taking 100% to 3 more. But all 3 are different. So what are the different numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are different numbers. From this I want 3 numbers. So 4C3 into. Up 0 is there and ABC is there. 0 is there and ABC. In how many ways we can arrange? So this place can be filled by 3 ways. And this place can be filled by, again, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. Means 18 into 18. And the last case, 0 is there and 2, 1 is there. So 0 is there, 2, 1 is there. So only one number more is needed. From where I will take? I will take from 2, 3, 4. That will be 3C1. Now think 0, 1, 1 and one more number A is there. How many way we can arrange? 4. This one, first place cannot be this place. 0 cannot come here. Think carefully. 0 cannot come here. So this place I can fill by how many ways? Either
3.
1
2, sorry.
1 or A, 2 ways. This place I can fill by how many ways?
3.
We don't know. We don't know. Here problem is there. Here problem is there. So what I will suggest you go by reversal.
The first one is 1. If it was
Wait a minute. Go reverse way. Reverse way means what? Just arrange them. In how many way I can arrange 4 factorial by 2 factorial? Minus those cases when 0 is coming on the first place. So 0 is coming on first place, so that will be 3 factorial by 2 factorial. So 1 by 2 factorial common, you will get 4 factorial. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial means 24 minus 6. That will become how much? 18. It went to 9. So that will be 9.
Sure, but then couldn't you just like solve the entire solution if you like find out the total number of numbers that can be made minus the total number of numbers which have 0 at starting. So like choose 4 numbers from 6 minus 1 multiplied by 3 factorial.
Are you talking about this case or total you are trying to do by one single case?
Yeah, the total just by one single case.
Total. Yeah, that will come to another method. I'm just trying to explain all the different possibility which can be done. Let's calculate. This will be what? 24. This will be what? 3C2 means that will become 3. And 3 into 12, 36. And this will be 4 into 18. How much? 72. And this will be 3 into 9, 27. Check it how much is coming. 9 and 10, 19. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 12, 2, 14 and 15. 159. 159. Did everybody understand? Yes, one of the student is saying, directly doing today, who's that? Can you tell? Can you speak out on this again? Agrima, is it? Yeah. Well, you are trying, how you are trying to do? How many number greater than 1000 can be found? 4 taken, 4 at a time. Yes. So tell me. I think you are muted.
So I first took the total number. So I did 6 permute 4.
Total number will be how much? 6?
Yeah, and then 4. No. I studied in the European curriculum, so I probably have a different notation.
Tell me, no problem. You can tell what exactly the value. I will write it. Are you trying to say this?
Yes.
Okay. First thing is that one thing always remember. This is nothing but the 6C4. In from which place you are? Which class and which place you are?
I was living in the Netherlands.
Okay. See, in India, maximum times we use only this symbol, not this symbol, but both are same thing. Like NCR, we used to write this way also. Both are the same meaning, no difference. So we call it as a NCR, just for the easy explanation. So NCR. Condition is that I think you are trying to use this symbol, selecting R object out of N different object. But this can be used only if all N are different, distinct, then only you can use it. Otherwise, it will be wrong.
Oh.
Do you understand? So that part you cannot do. So that is why we have to make this. If this 1 1 is not there, if it's suppose 1 2 3 4 0, of course you can go ahead with this. But problem is this: all these are not distinct. There are some mixed object is there. Whenever there is a mixed object, we cannot apply for this one. This is strictly valid only for if all the objects are distinct and you are selecting distinct object from there. Right? So this is what will come. See, when we have to make cases, all of you should understand. Cases will happen if there is more than one restriction is there. More than one restriction, you have to solve it by making the cases. So, Myra, I think you also got the correct answer. Did you gone through the same way or you have any different approach?
Sir, it's like similar, yeah. So, but then I didn't do the last part because I knew it like end with 9.
Okay, fine, great. Let's go ahead and...
I have done this question before, and so I know the answer.
That's fine, that's fine. So, out of this, what exactly I'm trying to tell you from all these 5 questions, what we understand, whenever there is the two restriction is coming, you can go by reverse method also. For example, in the last case, zeros and 2a, 1 are there. So, it's very difficult to make cases and all. So, what we do, we just by default, we calculate the numbers, this minus those numbers which start with the 0. So, it will give you the correct answers. So you will avoid a lot of making cases in this.
Sir, can you just show the questions once again?
This is the question. All
No,
questions.
like all questions, sir.
So the questions answers are going in DA following this.
Yeah, this answer, this is the D. This will be your D and this will be A.
So it's only being DNA.
It's okay. We should not go over the trick ways. Okay, let's go ahead and see some other set of 5 questions. Okay, try to think about this selection-based question. Sometimes what will happen, the digit-based question also they may ask you. What I mean to say is digit-based question. If I say, find number of possible positive divisor of n, where n is a big number. I'm just writing in the prime factor format. 2 power 3, 3 power 2 into 5 power 3 into 7. Some big number is there. Tell me everybody quickly how many number of possible divisor, positive divisor, positive factor of this number. Type your answer in the chat box. Yes, Rayan, correct.
Sir, which grade seminar is this? I wasn't able to understand anything. In school, our teacher didn't teach us C3 and factorial. I didn't understand.
It's not a grade, actually. It's for your AMC 8 and 10, I'm talking combinatorics. If you have basic knowledge, you have to get it. You can ask some kind of the notes from office where you register.
Okay, but my teacher didn't teach us at school all this. I don't know. I didn't understand anything.
I think there is from office people, I'll ask them to call you. What's your name?
My name is Brissia.
Okay. I'll ask them to speak with you.
Sir, also for me, our teachers didn't teach us anything about these kind of things.
Okay. Which class you are studying?
7th.
7.
Sir, this is Prissy. I am studying in grade 6.
Grade 6. I will,
And sir,
yeah,
these
listen.
same questions will come in the exam?
See, counting based question used to come. So counting based manually you can do, or you can use the NCR and NPR conditions to get the things done.
Sir, even I didn't understand. I didn't learn this in school.
Okay. Let me discuss with your the people who are conducting in the office, so they may help you into this.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell now. I'll just make sure that all of you can understand. I will not use NCR or something like that. Check this. I have to find out number of divisor. I guess all of you can understand what is the meaning of divisor. Those terms which is a possible factor of it. So possible factor, what can be happen? Think the factor which contains 2. 2 may come, may not come. So 2 either 0 time will come, or 1 time will come, or 2 time will come, or 3 time. This is the only possibility. That means the role of 2 will be what? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 possibility for this 2. How many possibility for 3 can come? 2 plus 1. How many possibility for this? 3 plus 1. And how many possibility for this? 1 plus 1. So total possibility will be 4 into 3 into 4 into 2. So that will become your 16 into 6. That will be 96. So there are total 96 possible factor. Let me show you by breakup way. Suppose somebody asks you how many possible divisor of 10, which you can do manually also. How will you do manually? You'll say n is the 2 into 5. So possible divisor 1 can happen, 2 can happen, 5 can happen, 2 and 2, 5 can happen. This is a possible 4 divisor, which we can do logically by other way also. 2 possibility of 2 is what? Either no 2, means 2 power 0 will come, or 1 2 will come. And means multiplication. 0 5 will come, or 1 5 will come. So there is the 2 way it can be happen, and this can be happen 2 way. So 2 into 2, 4 possible divisor will be there. So whenever you have to find the number of divisor for this kind of things, if it's in the prime number, P1 alpha 1, P2 alpha 2, so on, Pn power alpha n. The number of divisor will be equal to 1 alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1, so on alpha n plus 1. This is the number of divisor. I guess it makes sense. So,
Sir, I don't really understand. Like, why are we doing?
you'll understand. Just hold on. I'll teach, because basically this is the problem solving. I'm not supposed to teach theory, but I will teach theory a little bit so that all of you can understand. Listen carefully, everybody. If there are n identical objects, then we can select any number of object from it will be n plus 1. Forget about the theory, all those things. Just practically think, if I am giving you 4A letter, try to keep camera on so it will be easy so that I can see that you are able to understand. Suppose 4A letters are there. If I ask you, how many way I can select one letter? Everybody speak. How many way I can select one letter? Just one letter.
Always.
From the 4A identical letters. These the 4 identical letters are there. I just want one letter.
4 ways.
4
One.
ways.
4 ways.
No, how 4 ways? Why? Only one way.
So is it all the same one or are there?
Yes, same A, same A, same. All are same.
Okay, so then one, yeah.
One way. If you have to select one letter, you can select one way. If I am asking you how many way you can select two letter,
2.
One.
one.
One way.
By two letter, you just put your hand and take out two letters, you'll get A and A. Again, if you put it out, again you'll get the same thing. Because they're not different, they're same. So either you have to select one letter or two letter or three letter or four letter. Only one way will be there. All of you agree with me. Only one way will be there to select. Up now, if I ask you in how many ways I can select any number of letters, so how do you speak this? Either I will select 0 letter, or I will select 1 letter, or I will select 2 letter. These are letters, 2 letters, or I will select 3 letters. I will select 4 letters. Or means addition. Job, whenever or is there, you have to add the job. So in how many ways you can select 0 letter? Only one way. In how many way? One way letter can be say one way, 2 letter one way, 3 letter one way, 4 letter one way. The total number of way to select any number of letters will be 5 ways. You can see manually also why 5. Either no blank, nothing, or 1A, or 2A, or 3A, or 4A. The total number of way will be what? 5. Yes or no? So any number of selection from the 4 identical nature will be 4 plus 1, 5. Any number of selection from n identical object will be n plus 1. Similar way, 0, 1A, 2A, 3A, 4A, and so on, NA. So n plus 1 will be there. I think this makes sense to everyone.
Yes, sir.
So n plus 1. Now think carefully. If I say I'm having in a container, there are 3 2 is there, and 4 3 is there. In how many way I can select any number of digits? So either I can select any number from this group, or I can select any number from this group. In how many way I can select any number from this group? 3 plus 1 way. Any number from this group and 4 plus 1. So that will become what? 4 into 5, 20 ways. Whatever you will select, that is the divisor of this number. Which number? 2 cube into 3 power 4. That's why number of divisor will be 20. Similar way here also I gave this formula to you. Alpha 1. So there are the alpha 1 times P1 is there. Alpha 2 times P2 is there. Alpha 3 times P3 is there. Alpha n times Pn is there. The number of way, any number, whatever you select, that is the divisor. So that will be this many number of things will be there. Is it clear to everybody? Right? So I guess time is not permitting. We will be discussing the more problem in the next session. I'll be sharing this lecture notes in the group. Right? Thank you very much and see you in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.